Have you ever dreamed of turning your passion for making videos into a source of income? Well, today is your lucky day because we're going to talk about exactly that. How to monetize your YouTube channel. This means you can start earning money from the amazing content you create. For many creators, monetization is a game changer. It allows you to invest more time and resources into your channel, turning a hobby into a potential career. It's a way for YouTube to thank you for bringing great content and an engaged audience to their platform. So if you're ready to take the next step in your YouTube journey, stick around as we break down everything you need to know. First things first, let's talk about the requirements. YouTube has specific rules in place to make sure that channels joining its partner program are of high quality. These rules are known as the YouTube Partner Program eligibility requirements. To be eligible, you need to meet one of two key metrics. The first and most common path is to gain 1,000 subscribers and accumulate 4,000 hours of public watch time on your long-form videos within the last 12 months. The second option, which is great for creators who focus on short-form content, is to get 1,000 subscribers and reach 10 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. It might sound like a lot, but with consistent effort, these goals are definitely achievable. Once you've hit those numbers, it's time to apply. The process is pretty straightforward. You'll start by opening YouTube Studio, which is your main dashboard for managing your channel. On the left-hand side menu, you'll see a tab called Earn. Click on that. The first step will be to review and accept the YouTube Partner Program terms and policies. Read through them carefully and agree. Next, you'll need to set up a Google AdSense account. AdSense is how you'll actually get paid. You can either connect an existing AdSense account or create a new one right there. Make sure all your personal information is correct. Finally, after connecting AdSense, your channel will be submitted for review. YouTube's team will then manually check your channel to ensure it follows all their guidelines. Now, let's talk about something important: why some channels get rejected. Understanding these common pitfalls can save you a lot of time and frustration. The biggest reason for rejection is often reused content. This means you're using other people's videos, music, or clips without adding significant original commentary or educational value. Using copyrighted music is another big no-no. Always use royalty-free music or tracks from the YouTube audio library. Other red flags include misleading content, like using clickbait titles or thumbnails that don't match your video, and low-quality or copied AI-generated videos. YouTube wants original, valuable content, not spammy or deceptive videos. Speaking of AI, you might be wondering if you can still monetize AI-generated videos. The answer is yes, but you have to do it the right way. YouTube isn't against AI itself. It's against low-effort, spammy content. To safely use AI, focus on creating videos with original, well-researched scripts that provide real value to your audience. Make sure your videos are educational or tell a unique story. Use high-quality, royalty-free background music and visuals. Be transparent and honest in your content. The key is to use AI as a tool to enhance your unique ideas, not as a replacement for creativity and effort. So how can you reach those monetization goals faster? The most important tip is consistency. Try to upload new videos on a regular schedule, whether it's once a week or more. This keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Focus on increasing your watch time by creating compelling content that holds viewers' attention. Craft clear, searchable titles and eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent your video. And don't forget about shorts. Posting shorts regularly is a fantastic way to gain subscribers and drive traffic to your main videos, helping you reach the requirements much more quickly. We hope this guide has made the path to YouTube monetization a lot clearer. It's a journey that requires dedication, but it's incredibly rewarding. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips to help you grow. Do you have any questions about monetization? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to help. Keep creating, keep learning, and don't give up on your goals. You've got this, and we can't wait to see what you create.